I love this table. This is the same table that is used inside the van, and it can be used outside the van with the same kind of bracket, the RV shelf bracket that's made of aluminum. It just fastens like that. Isn't that fantastic? So you put it on, and the way it's held up is with this adjustable shower rod. There you go. And now you can cook outside. You can stand out here and lean on something. And I just love it. I was able to cook out here while the ladies were having a campfire right nearby. And I was able to be a part of things and cook my dinner at the same time. So let's see how it transforms. Inside the Blue Wonder is this matching bracket. It's the same one that's on the outside. What you can do is just place your table there. I have a dowel, and it just goes like that. I have a table. Yeah, it gets even better. I love doing puzzles. But puzzles are bigger than this table. So what do you do about that? Well, another feature of these brackets is you can slide the table into the position that you want it to be in, forward or back. And I have this other piece of wood here. They clip together, and it's big enough for my puzzle. And with the help of the inflatable puzzle pocket, you can start your puzzle on the felt that rolls out, roll it up, and take it with you. This is how it works. Here's the felt. Just put the felt out on the table, start your puzzle, put the pieces out here. When you're ready to go, there is a tube. Just blow up the tube, and there is a pump right here. Or you can blow it up, you know, with your mouth, that's fine. The inflated tube sits here, the puzzle pieces are here. Rolling it up rolls up the puzzle. Isn't that incredible? Then you just put the rolled up puzzle in the tube and take it with you wherever you want to go. It can sit there for a year. It's not in anybody's way. So remember, you can do it.